Hello everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing a Samsung Convoy 3. Surprisingly, this one was actually never used. I got it brand new, and I'm gonna unbox it, so here we go. And here you got the phone. This one's actually nice. It's got a lot of nice controls. Whoops. And got the instructions here that would never open. It's the charger for it. And here's the battery for it. So I'm gonna put the phone down so I can put the stuff in. So hold on. Okay, I see. Sorry, it's just... There we go. Okay. And then this is, I guess, to open the back of this. Right there. So, I'm gonna open this too. Okay. So, now that I got both things out, so I guess I'm gonna open this up. Okay. I got this open with this, and it's not coming off unless if it's two hands. I'll do this. Okay. It's still not coming off for some reason. I almost got it. I'm sorry that this is really gonna be a bad video. Let me see if I can use one of the keys. No, I'm not gonna try. I'm just gonna try to pull it off. Okay, so it's unlocked. Okay, I got it. So, got this back off. Put the battery in. And goes up this way. Oops. Didn't exactly put it back on right. I think I got it. There we go. I don't know where that little thing was. Oh, here it is. So basically it just like kind of reminds me of a key, so I just put it in and then twist it. And it's locked now, so maybe it has a charge. I don't know. Let's give it a chance. Oh, here it is. And sorry, I got a bit of a cold too. Well, it works. And as I said, this was never used before. At all. It's got a flashlight. That's neat. Okay, so it's set up now. There's a lot here. I'm not gonna program it. Oh, unlocked. It locked itself again. Anyways, I'll try to figure out how this works anyways. So you got really nice center set up. There's even a flashlight button in here. You got a lot of different settings, stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. This video is probably going to get bad reviews because it's a pretty bad video, but I tried my best, so have a good day.